biem samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no so yeda Apostle Dr. Ni Tekotegwase eni nkwanshen sama odi abreye de du so no ye Badwam kase nsam no ne etodwa omu bi ni ECG chechire mu de nti a ewosasa ntumu 225 no womu Ghana fo ji etumu sansemi ne sembi anope ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com semi ene sembebre wo ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo Majoy Trish wontadi kama fefefe ene shemsa no ko Instagram ne Facebook ko daudi ho na faseda no mame afia ni de mientie se de nsam chemu ankasa etie Electricity Company of Ghana mpanifo na ne wo mu kire de ntia Ghana former ho kwan na wonto enyinma hoodin mu nko 225% emunsem eni
Oh yedi to anim say anka ye move sika na anka sisi e man no around 17% akobe 61%. Names a man for and as I said uncle for who ni fine. Your idea be one component we a friend distribution service charge. Every different from average payment to a tariff for you. But you say average user tariff. You and Bosum Yadi be on a bread in a boom. By ye muno, Saskano to muno your back be my friend distribution service charge. And none a year patch or say ye muscle my in free CCA that be 11% component in a woman. Yet I compare 29%. It is only a can of 225% in Hama. I own by a sanity. A sad distribution service charge, and the Yamasu share percent in a year and I acquire 225 that go for home. But so what they call tariff from Mancasancasa Padia, Nanke Baye, Ubenan Baye. Around 29%. 225 now confirm Nema will be a machine sanity. And we in distribution service charge kit to Kakrana or Mupon Homayano. Ewo tariff na you your friend end user tariff your pon Homay Kakrano and your best piano no conning.
Meeting at the Prince of Wusu Esidu, Adom News.
Enti wasansem we mu no chairperson na ye steering committee ma Public Utilities Regulatory Commission nana ya janto ase wormo behwem na yemo wo abosumi be mienu won de wanu dinsem ebetuja
the abehwehwe ni nyina mu because parameters na ye de tariffs no o hwa enko suru bebre nti abehwe ni nyina na ya san hwe the friend is a generation mix as ye availability of power the load electricity and crofo use Nina, you make a cabo at the end of the day. No, utility PURC may take a decision on the matter. Near Yama order, a say na ye kono. There's a timetable now, Babusumi Mienu. That's a tariff win from 2026 to 2030.
And Rejahrim be at all at a be a Koshi Chinese warehouse to be a. Eswani so kache ya mani boni ya wako hodi semi eba. Ohine ya wawa aguna kwenyako eya aguna East Mensi ni mu fifi mantemu Dr. Nana Ampem Dako ebu afuye papa wone ensuo ayensu ya Galamseyers na se no wode to Central Regional Minister ni mu se won sori waka na wonye ne won betumi bia se be ya wonsuo kura aka no won betumi abo ho ban eyi
kwanga ma yefaso ayensu ni ndro edigume wo mu se nipa ne nkwa no eteden se yemi se da wasa waba na Nyamekan say me my press conference crew have by 3 times against let's say what the Commission whatever efase wotu anhwea if I saw better prospecting, against.
Na we and finfimantem so for echo or penny and so edito nananom himfo animo say.
Moy inje some women that ye abra what to elfin kakabantu kwem we baby at nifi. Until I make our say for the ye who baby of fizi. On yam pona ye buffer yasa for yam one for soldier for na nanano about the wood ya yenum so and yam fasa for ma na inda kwenyaku foko or tina pattern for uncle na ba busme ba saying yam kwajan yan shade. Obiani ye gan say wakop ntama yinsuba aban bebempa ebotum yaye
Kebiumni bia wo aguna safo kwabena benyi enso ne adom kase ama ne boni twetwe nkoma a wode nsem sei etudwa
se eyade a wofro a so wo ho ansa na wo ye bebi ase honhom wo ho yankopon bo na de na obo no obo wi ase obo honhom ka ho nti honhom no wodi aman na sa asase no so wada say first say obi bi na se obegina kasa eye adwuma enka first paaw wo botum aye su kwabena why ni say no akọ no say wa che bon ye many afika kra ma hu nuama kakra first say ne ye ku ye fish ni okwa baby ho be yi na bebre baby ho na say Tuesday akwa wunya hwe botum aba raw because won say ne da
wo sansemi mu no enfifi mantamu swafo ekọ ochre penny and worker say won etu fam agudie kase pa na nei wo mo man mu nsuo wo kransuo efri obi man so na won mo no tin sentwefo mfa ho nyumu ne nyina yankuntia galamsey no
sabe fishawa dream ne be so there awu kakra bedinsi oniana a time is coming in this country where even when you have the money to buy a bottle of water for 10,000 or 1,000 cedis whatever you will not be sure of the content of the water you'll be taking. What about that? Ya baba ya brother man no bodura ya bodum suna yewu impa bebre na ne wakan su fi baby wonu mo Ghana ha wana wase nsu ni ye wa Ghana ha pa na wonu musu a wonu musu wa Ghana watam su wa bruti na wonu wana wata am nsam ne say papa na amna we botum ya to bi mama my father ma di aman yesam anade camera sam ye beja ya keke bi keke ekwa akwadwunu ho yi nsuru ma adwunu ho eto bottle water eto pure water na onye sachet water na azade he no be fiaba osana dudu na Ghana water fu wonsu ya na wo yusu dudu na monsu ya na wo packaging water be onto na monsu mu ebufu ma sa atre monsu mu ye bi so bi bottle monsu 2 cedis na wa ton wen yan 1000 cedis a on ma sum baby what was start wo ye bi into what was na we ba this would be fin ya ba o me hwe ni yi
Assemblyman and etututo so atwa na nanom siedo mienu so epra na nyina no eye mabunu ye wo empatuem ene asanko mindfo ya menteme hu ase ekosunti enam so ama assemblyman nam so ahwe ne nkwa bi so epray
ana sa ansa isurusi ebotuom o de ta to obi tie ama ne faro o sa de to nsuom enti ensa isurusi an mpatomfo no ba campo abubu so se bien tina moto ya de seri tuo na wana bano so edma kra kwan so aso o chanfa do ha asa we edma kra na o stopun go fon so munya bote do ye bete se tuo ten onye obi ahwe na aso fon mo my man so asanko goodman so no a mo hwe campo no mato no tuo amara nti wona boy nya media
eno achi adom kase ne odansini a odane di nsemi achi bi bonkomo eno achi semprempre die nibere na asore ewo mpatoam ne nkwado
se baby ye kwa assembly man kwa de hono mu kwa de ehu na even baby a de bod na baba to no kra no enya asem ketwa me hospital mu hanu kwa de bod na baba enya asem ketwa kra they say ma hu sa police for am free am say encarry omo so aba hanum na menim adekodo ambaye na am say kromafo no so anya abre pa Oma background kim ha asanko mines one site and asan incident united SU. So for the past 2 months near there when she na baso bebrebe I saw baby to say at the bedroom nyina san incident na happen wo. Eti amansia west ya no there am make ka say bonte fufo to be precise the munjo.
Ni nyina mu no wode amun akopie mu won kawe amukrabia nhwemu afirase ho a aposifo afiri nhwemu ase amansa chia me kwadwo bi mreku ama ne bo asante mantemu
Fachaye sano pay yadi obi asabi wewu kire wo sa fachaye na yeto akase no eso adia ye call bronu bi the European Town Railway e wo sekendi takrade ja tomo a eso ani se okache
Mukende date 9 September sabi ge no wanu so e dey washiwe no so 9 September ah oya 9 September this na ka wa 3 years sabi ge no wanu washiwe 3 years ni oya 9 September na 9 September na ha washi time and time that the 9 September na ha no washiwe
na no wesiye Nadmo director yo was Kendi Takrade Metropolitan Area Alhaji Abubakar Kamal and student sim yet so.
So exactly 3 years on the dot, similar fire outbreak occurred here. And on the 18th of July, I think this year, together with my team at the metro level, we came here and organized all those settlers here in our sensitization drive just to get them to see some of the things that they are doing here that may cause disaster.
The Krakure Mono, DO1 Michael Teteya no metro fire officer, and so the chart was say.
We managed to get part of the crew that were uphill here to confine it this way, and then the other crew were downhill there, the place we previously had the fire, that were also trying to confine it. So we managed to contain it within this enclave.
Yato Adom TV Badwam kase no so dia kwame bafo adodo no anim no abronja no yede na to oposifo kokomu se wonko na efia da September bosome ne de to so du mienu no omra na 117 no so.
In law, you would know that, there are categories of offenses. Misdemeanor is the basic one, and that shouldn't be the basis why an accused person should be remanded. But trust me, when it comes to the judiciary, I respect the judiciary so much, particularly this court. I have never had an issue in this court. Whatever my lord says is final. The law lies in the bosom of what? The judge. He has given a ruling that my client should be remanded into custody and brought back to court on the 12th of September.
Ehona ememrodom frefo edema MPP amonyoku no Salam Mustafa enso do tudwa se wono mo beyo ye kire kese pe de te Ghana Police Service esan se wo kira wono mo akire kwa mebafo no enya de se fa kwemu
ensa bai we anjai kwan a omde MPP for FA no. And I'm telling you today, we are going to demonstrate against the police. Me, the National Youth Organizer, I'm going to lead it. So police for MP, that is their own case. But this thing has gotten to its zenith, its peak. The harassment of MPP4. Look at how chairman has been treated. This is a petty criminal. Now, there should be decency attached to it.
Yanyina no Adom TV Badwam kase no yemfansi ha yeda so mre ene wadaje a wode amaye de edu so na rekase du bodi de akudie mo nsam no etwaso na fe yakwasinsia yenso yede de bonkrata ni nyina atwaso ye kwamra sesie